National Hockey League features the Colorado Avalanche and the Montreal Canadiens. Kyle Keefe here in the Grand Atrium, and all season long, last year, this year, the Avalanche have inducted many former players into the Avalanche Alumni Association. Tonight, a perfect night for Sylvain Lefebvre, as he will be inducted into the Alumni Association as the Avalanche take on Lefebvre's former team, the team he started his career with, the Montreal Canadiens. For more on the ceremony, let's go inside with Alan Roach.
Finished last season, only 14 years after their arrival.